Alright guys, let me tell you how to get the bonus in OneXpert. First, during registration, enter the promo code.
Alright, so this is very important. Don't forget to enter the promo code, which is in the link and also you can see in the screen. If you apply the promo code, you will get 120% depositing bonus. And if you won't get it, so don't miss it. Apply the promo code here. It is all in capital. Alright.
Code 77WINBET. It is in capital. 77 WinBet. Alright, so don't forget to enter the promo code. In step 2, open up the app and then click the menu. Click Order. And then click Promo. Then click Cashback. As you can see here, bonus on your account balance. Click Activate. And step number 3, click on Menu. And then click on Personal Profile. And then update your name, phone number, link your email, phone number, and whatever it is necessary. And then step number 4, click on plus icon as you can see on the top left corner. Make a deposit. If you do not know how to deposit and withdraw, check my YouTube channel and you will find how to make a deposit and how to withdraw. Alright, so then click menu. After the amount is reflected on your wallet, click on wallet. Alright, here you will see your bonus. The reason why bonus is not showing here is because I've already used my bonus. Alright, so to get the bonus, don't forget to enter the promo code during the registration process. After the registration, adjust the setting as I have shown you, and then make a deposit, and then you will get the bonus. Alright, so in order to get the bonus, step number 1, don't forget to enter the promo code during registration process. And step 2, after registration, adjust the settings as I've shown you. And step number 3, complete your profile. And then step number 4, make a deposit. You will get up to 120% depositing bonus. Alright.
To download the app and get registered in OneXpert, you can check the description. I've given the link. Or you can open up the browser and type www.onexpert.com. It will automatically direct to the page, and there you can able to download the app. First install the app and open the app, and then click registration and fill all the necessary. And this is very important, don't forget to put the promo code. If you apply the promo code, you will get up to 120% bonus on your first deposit, so don't miss it. So you can check the promo code in the description, and also you can see on the screen. Alright guys, that's for today. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.